Today we're going to take you guys through a new offering in the Bugout family. The original intent of the Bugout family was designed for ultra lightweight backpacking. For this year, we wanted to introduce some new materials and think more about the premium EDC consumer. So for this year in the 535-3, you're going to see the carbon fiber handle. This is brand new for the Bugout, as well as adding a backspacer that has an exposed lanyard hole. And then when you move up to the blade, we wanted to introduce a premium blade steel here. So the traditional Bugout comes with S30V. This new version of the 535-3 comes with S90V. When we go into the 535-4, you'll notice that there's a milled CNC texture that radiates from the pivot line. It really just catches your eye directly to that pivot. Huge addition to this family is M390, focusing on premium materials and more geared towards the EDC consumer. And it's just great in the hand, it's super comfortable, and it has a great weight to it as well. Overall, we're excited to add these new premium variants to the Bugout family.